Now that your data is in place, it's time to set up your first line of communication. Email. Why do we need to configure email communication in Zoho Desk? There are two key reasons. To avoid juggling between multiple systems or screens. To ensure we never miss a customer query. Let's jump into the screen and see how to set up the email channel. Click on Setup, and under Channels, select Email. Here, you'll see a list of existing email addresses. You can also create a new support email address of your choice. For example, let's create one for sales. Once created, add a friendly name and click Save. From now on, whenever customers send an email to this address, a ticket will be created instantly. Wondering how to hide the Zoho Desk domain in your email address? It's simple. Set up email forwarding from your mail service provider to Zoho Desk. This works with Zoho Mail, Gmail, Outlook, or any other provider. When replying to tickets, you'll need to select the From address. You can choose from the list or add a new one under Channels, Email, From address. Adding a new From address is similar to creating a support email. Enter the email address, add a friendly name, and choose whether to use your SMTP server. Enabling this ensures emails are sent through your server. Otherwise, they'll go through Zoho's server. Save the email address and verify it from your mailbox. Once verified, you can use it to communicate with customers. Now that we've set up the support email address and From address, your email channel is ready. Your idea deserves a clear path forward. Share your vision with us, and we'll create the next step workflow to help make it a reality. DM us or comment now. We will provide this in 1 hour.